This is Ron, KC0QVT, and I'm here with Jeff Kamari from all the way here from Hawaii.
I'm setting up APRS network on the island of Oahu, which apparently over the last few years started to disappear, so I'm trying to light it up again. APRS is Automatic Packet Reporting System developed by Bob Breninga, and it's a messaging system that a lot of people use for position reporting.
Okay, so you have analog APRS.
Yes.
So do these Anytones that we sell work on that system?
Absolutely, and there are a few people who actually have Anytones that are on our network.
Okay, so what value does APRS provide for the island of Oahu?
During periods of emergency, that's where, you can track where all your assets are and message availability of resources. This can all be done while the commercial networks are down because of a hurricane or whatever hits the system.